everyone. This is Deb. Mike and I are so glad you're here.
Everyone, say hello to Buttercup.
Did you know that June is National Dairy Month? And here we are in the middle of Wisconsin at a dairy farm.
Where's the ice cream?
People by that time they're starting to get comfortable enough to be on their own to be riding. So any questions? The more we stop and start, especially at the beginning, you're going to really start to understand how the machine operates. So go ahead and lean in towards me. It doesn't take a whole lot to get us started here.
Riding a Segway is something Mike and I have wanted to try if the moment was right. Well, with an overnight in La Crosse, Wisconsin, the moment was right. I was a little unsure at first, but Eric was a great teacher, and away we went, riding through downtown La Crosse, as well as crossing over the mighty Mississippi River. Yikes.
Hi guys.
We're in Wisconsin Dells, and tomorrow we're going to go on a boat ride.
We heard we've timed it right because 100,000 people are going to descend on this town as of next week. School's out and the kids are roaming.
Wisconsin Dells, the Las Vegas for kids. Come along and see what we mean.
Introducing the incredibly talented Rensafire spinners.
That is cool.
Are you comfortable? Sorry, I turned on the light.
In Wisconsin Dells, we experienced another first. We took our first land-to-water duck boat ride. I'm pretty sure being part comedian is a prerequisite for the drivers of these boats.
Now when we splash down into the lake here, you guys might have seen me mess with some levers up here. I did just disengage our wheels. If you guys do look down to the left and right of you, you should see them coming to the surface shortly. I'm just kidding, guys. We are... If you guys do see tires, please let me know. Now, Lake Sally here is home to the Wisconsin bird. Does anybody want to take a guess of what that is? That's the mosquito. Now that's okay though, there aren't too many out here, seeing as we do set traps all along the water's edge. Now once those traps get full, we do package them in little brown boxes and ship them off to Minnesota.
I was amazed at how this awkward Army vehicle provided such a smooth, scenic ride on the Wisconsin River. Thanks everyone for watching. Until next time.
Safe travels.